And the race is on. Madame Isabel from the outside, Scarlet Minstrel. Moving up, Conqueror Danori inside, Leonora's best. Then comes Lakewood. Rushing up, Ginny's Rose. It's Conqueror followed by Leonora's best. Danori inside, Lakewood is racing in third. Madame Isabel rushing up is Ginny's Rose. On their further outside, Lim Grand Story is Scarlet Minstrel, number 5 American Ruler, and the Purple. And nearing the far turn, Conqueror from the outside, Leonora's best. Lakewood racing in third alongside is Madame Isabel and Ginny's Rose, Lim Grand Story. As they race the last 500, Conqueror, Leonora's best. Lakewood on the outside, Madame Isabel, Ginny's Rose, Lim Grand Story. As they race the final corner, Lakewood from the outside, and Danori inside is Leonora's best, Ginny's Rose, and by the rally Conqueror. And nearing the finish line, Lakewood by half and Leonora's best. And finally, number 3, Lakewood, Leonora's best, Ginny's Rose, Conqueror, Madame Isabel, Lim Grand Story, Scarlet Minstrel, American Ruler, and the